Rippers. For this week's video, we got another One Piece set. This is the Memorial Collection with the Tony Chopper on the front. You know we're gonna hop in here, look for the manga rare and all those alternate arts. Without further ado, let's get into it. And it's sheerly coincidence that I got on my One Piece do-rag right now. My Straw Hat Crew do-rag. Maybe it'll bring us good luck. We rip these packs. I saw something wild already at the back of this pack. First pack magic. Let's see what we get. We got Mr. 9, Crocus, Mino Chihuahua, Doma, Hamlet, Prince Belay, Brook, Just Shut Up and Come With Us, Sorry, I'm a Goner, Bluno. We got Charlotte Flampy for the rare foil. First pack, we got a super rare Cavendish. Pack number 2. I thought something else in the back. It kind of looked like Cavendish again, so I hope not. Let's get a different super rare this time. Bingo. Koza. Oh, 4 tricks. Common, but it's full art. Charlotte Compote. Mini Mary. Yamato. Chambers. Army Wolves. I want to live. Oh, girl, won't you come my way? Khalifa foil rare. Oh, we got an alternate art T-Bone. Oh boy. Alternate art T-Bone. Let's go. Oh look, you can see there that pop, that texture. We're gonna sleeve T-Bone right now. Alternate art T-Bone worth about a good $10. Hey, I'll take it. Here we go, Hamlet again. Laboon, Gastino, Mini Mary, Charlotte Compote, Just Shut Up and Come With Us, I Want to Live. This is a real similar familiar pack. Mont Block, Oh Come My Way. Don't worry, I'll spare y'all the Fetty Wap this time. Got the off-white foil for the rare. And a Sanji. Look at the detail on the background of Sanji. Belt buckle popping. Another Hamlet. This gotta be a little set. Mini Mary, Bingo, Mr. 9, Doma, Prince, Just Shut Up and Come With Us, Chambers, Miss Monday. She's different. Army Wolves, foil Izo rare. Oh, it's a foil rare Gonfall. I'm just trying to show the details. Look how shiny that cape is. Couple more packs left. Still searching for a manga. Let's get one more alternate art and I'll be happy. Crocus, Laboon, Mino Chihuahua, Logtown, 4 tricks, Oh Come My Way, Sorry I'm a Goner, I Want to Live, Brook Common, Just Shut Up and Come With Us again, Khalifa again. Yo! I saw Tony Chopper and I was like, no shot. Super rare Tony Chopper. Got the pack art Chopper right there, baby. We're gonna go ahead and sleeve him up right quick too. Last pack right here. I'm definitely gonna be looking for the new set what's it called? Let me know down below what it's called. I'm sure I'll look it up after, but it's 500 days or something, or 500 years or something. It's 500 something something. Got Mountain God. Whoa, that look like Sue. If y'all know, y'all know. But that look like Sue when she angry, and Jiraiya's trying to take her food. Charlotte Compote, Funk Freed, Minnie Mary, Mont Blanc, Miss Monday, Bluno, Prince, Oh Come My Way. Okay, new one, Foil Scarlet, Rare. Oh. Super Rare, Shirahoshi. She's a mermaid. Alright, Rippers. I appreciate y'all for watching this week. I'll see y'all next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what you want to see in the future, and you know I'll bring it to you. Peace.